Hello everyone and welcome back to S3 Cloud Hub. In our last video, we looked at the exam roadmap. Today, we are starting with the absolute basics. Before we jump into complex Google Cloud services, we need to answer a fundamental question. What actually is the cloud? In this video, we are going to look at three things: why we need the cloud, how companies worked before the cloud existed, and why the entire IT industry is shifting towards this model. If you understand the why, the how becomes much easier. Let's dive in. To appreciate the cloud, we first have to look at the traditional way of doing things. In the past, if you wanted to run an application like a website or a database, you needed servers. These are basically physical machines, powerful computers that run your code. Now, where do you put these servers? You put them in a data center. A data center is a physical facility where servers are stored, cooled, and managed. But this approach had a massive challenges: high cost, maintenance effort, and limited scalability. This was slow and painful. That is why the industry started shifting to the cloud. So, why is everyone moving to the cloud? It solves all those problems we just talked about. First and foremost, there is no need to manage physical servers. Google does that for you. You don't worry about power, cooling, or hardware failures. Second, resources are available on demand. If you need a server right now, you click a button and you get it. You don't wait for weeks. Third, it is faster, scalable, and cost effective. You only pay for what you use. If you are not using a server, you turn it off and stop paying. Ultimately, the cloud simplifies the infrastructure and help businesses grow faster. Instead of fighting with the hardware, you focus on building your application. Now that we understood the concept, in the next video, we will dive deeper in the servers and data centers. See you in the next lesson.